How to activate call recording in iOS 18. If you've been waiting to record calls on your iPhone, this new feature in iOS 18 makes it possible, whether you want to keep the audio or transcribe it into text. Now, not all iPhones can use this feature. You'll need either an iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, or any iPhone 16 model to activate call recording. Unfortunately, older iPhones, even if updated to iOS 18, won't support this feature. To record a call, simply open the phone app and call someone like normal. Once the call connects, you'll see a button with wiggly lines in the top left corner of your screen. Tap that button and your call will start recording. Keep in mind that this feature is transparent. Both you and the person you're calling will receive a notification that the call is being recorded. There's no way to record calls secretly. Once the call is finished, the recording will automatically save to your Notes app. From there, you can either keep the audio or use the transcription option to turn the audio into text. This is great if you need a written record of the call. And that's it. Recording calls on iOS 18 is simple and straightforward, as long as you have the right device. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.